These next few examples we're going to do have infinitely many solutions. So I want to show you how to write that out. We're going to do what's called writing it out in parametric form, or I call it writing a general solution. So let's see, a system with variables x1 up through x5 has this augmented matrix. And this matrix is already in reduced row echelon form. So what I want to do is write the solution out in parametric form. So here's what we do. Go through here, and I'm going to make this big so I can write it easily. x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5. Now I'm going to go through and circle my leading ones. Now some of these columns have leading ones and the other ones don't. The ones without leading ones are called free variables. So they're free variables because there's no leading one in their column. So here's how we write out the solution. For each one of these, we're going to write out 5 solutions. Now this first row, maybe I should write the full row out. We get x1 plus 2x2 plus 4x4 equals 4. The second row gives me x3 plus 2x4 equals 2. And the last row just gives me x5 equals 5. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these things over here with the x2s and the x4s. All of those I'm going to push over to the other side. So I'm going to rewrite this as x1 equals 4 minus 2x2 minus 4x4. Now I'm going to do something that might look a little strange. I'm going to put an x2 equals x2. I want to account for all 5 variables here. x3 I'm going to get from this equation. x3 is going to be 2 minus 2x4. x4 is a free variable, so I'm just going to get x4 is equal to x4. And x5 is just equal to 5. So if you notice what happens there, each one of the equations gives us each equation gives us something like this. And each free variable gives us something that looks like this, just the variables equal to itself. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace these with parameters. So I'm going to replace x2 and x4 with t and s. I have to be careful when I write my s's because they look like 5s. So my parametric solution to this is going to look like x1 equals 4 minus 2t minus 4s. x2 equals t. x3 equals 2 minus 2s. x4 equals s. And x5 equals 5. And this is my parametric solution. The idea is you can pick any value you want for t or for s, plug it in there, and it'll give you a solution to this system of equations. This is the general solution. Or parametric solution. All right, let's look at 326. 326 is, it says use Gauss-Jordan to solve this system. Actually, let's put that in another video.